What's up guys, it's Diabetic Dude, and today it is negative 23 degrees outside right now. So what I'm doing, I'm going to put boiling water and just throw it outside, and I heard something cool happen, so let's get right into the video. Okay, so we're just going to take a big cup. If you're using this kind, just fill 3 out of 4 cups of water, so it's not too heavy when you go to throw it. And then don't be afraid to get close, come on. You know, we gotta put the blue food dye in. Just hover it right over. Make it look satisfying. And then, just get it. Any type of utensil, like a knife. Stir it up. You have blue water. Then you have to put it in the microwave until it starts boiling. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got boiling water, so now we're gonna take it outside and throw it out. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! There's a ton of steam. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.